The fastest way to manifest money, we're going to really get your money game going in this video. It's going to be very interactive. I'm going to ask you to do a couple things as we're going through this so that you can apply it. I don't want to be just another video here that you're just going to learn a lot of stuff and not actually get the results. So I'm going to ask you to do a couple of things, be interactive with this video today in the comments below as we're going through it, okay? Let's go through a couple of steps here. Step number one with getting your money game going, okay? Remember, money is energy, okay? That's all you need to know. All the energy there is all around us right now. Therefore, it means all the money is also right around us right now. We need to tap into coming into more harmony with the money that you desire. An extra $1,000, 5,000, extra 50,000. I don't care what it is. We need to tap into that even more, okay? In the comment section below, start with your first comment and just write money is energy in the comments, okay? Go ahead right now, money is energy. Why I'm doing this interaction again, just to be very, very transparent, clear, is the comment section is going to be used to activate these phrases into your life, okay? So sometimes you're going to hear phrases and they don't actually get stuck into your mind because they're not emotionalized. When you start typing it out into the comment section, what it's going to start to do is pull you to activate those things into your life. Okay, so be as interactive as you can on this video because it's going to help tremendously. You'll see the result of it. Okay, I'm always doing this whenever I'm learning, is constantly activating that into my life. Okay, so write down money is energy. Number two, okay, since money is energy, you're an energetic being. You can tap into the energy of money in order to get what you want. Okay, so I'm an energetic being, you're an energetic being. We live in an energetic universe. Okay, money is energy. So basically what we need to do is, if your money game is here, right, you're kind of earning, say, 1,000 to 5,000 a month, or whatever it is. Maybe you're earning a lot more or a lot less. Doesn't matter, okay? Just an example, okay? The money's here, and you're on that frequency. We need to raise not only the money frequency you're thinking about, but also your being internally, okay? Both of these need to match up, okay? So we want to start understanding that and being that. Second comment you want to write below for this is, I am an energetic being. I am an energetic being. If you need to, go ahead and pause the video to make sure you type that out in the comments, okay? I am an energetic being. So money is an energy. I'm an energetic being, okay? Number three, we want to start tapping into the abundance frequency. How do you do that? Okay, remember we just talked about we need to raise up here with the frequency of thought that we're going towards and our being. That means our feeling, okay? So in imagination, I want you to see the amount of money that you want. 500 bucks, $20,000, whatever amount of money, but go for something that excites you, okay, that you really want, but it's not over the top because you won't believe it right now, okay? Because a lot of belief work needs to go into actually fusing with that. So probably don't ask for $1 million if you're not used to even thinking about that. Even if $50,000 seems so out of it seems like so unbelievable on how you'd actually activate that. Forget about that. Go with something that's slightly believable, but a little bit of a stretch. So if you're used to bringing in $500 activations and manifestations, go with 2,000 bucks, right? So multiply it by like 4, what you're used to. You can always go back to this and you can do a lot larger money amounts later, okay? For now, I want you to see results, and it's best to work with your belief system by stretching it just a bit, not over the top, okay? So for number three here, I want you to see an end scene of you with the money, okay? What does that mean? See your bank statement increase by the amount of money you want. See an email coming through for a new sale. See the cash being given to you. Actually see what it is of you actually having the money in your possession, okay? So that's number three here in imagination. See yourself in possession of that money. For step number three here, go ahead and write down in the comments below the money amount that you're activating. And you put in the present tense. I now received $500. I now received $2,000. I now received $15,000. Okay, whatever it is, write that present tense statement to activate it in the comments below. Again, go ahead and pause the video if you need a little second here, because I know I'm going through it pretty quickly. Number four is feeling it, okay? So we're starting to think at the level of the frequency that we want by using our mental images. We just did that in 3. Number 4 here is we're going to raise our frequency in our energetic side to match it. How we're going to do that is based on feeling, okay? Feeling and vibration are one and the same. Okay, so when you're actually seeing this image in mind, I want you to feel it to be true. How do you do that? Okay, realize everything vibrationally is already done. So therefore, when you see it in your imagination, it's already yours. at an energetic sense. So when you open your eyes back up, don't expect any magic poof out of thin air money on the ground, okay? That's not how this stuff works. It's going to go into the vibrational side first, then it's going to come into the physical, all right, over a certain period of time, okay? So internally for you, go ahead and feel it to be true right now. Feel good about it, okay? And match your inner thoughts. So say thank you for it. Thank you, thank you, thank you for what this is, okay? That's number 4. In the comments below, your 4th comment is going to be the feeling you would feel as if you accomplished the objective of manifesting what you wanted. You might feel accomplished, you might feel grateful, you might feel excited, balanced, all the emotions, whatever it is, go ahead and think about what that might be, and then comment that below for the 4th comment you should have down below, okay? The feeling you would feel as if it was actually done, okay? Number 5, here's the last one, and it's allowing and letting in this good, okay? I want you to go out and serve better than you have ever before, okay? Because what you're doing is most people get in their own way by logically thinking, where's it going to come? How's it going to come? When's it going to come? Right? I've been there a million times, and I have to keep myself in check for this stuff as well. When my mind wants to start getting carried away on, oh man, how's it going to come, right? So we need to get out of the logical thinking and more into the heart, more into the feeling, okay? And by doing so, you're going to really start to open yourself up to receiving, all right? So on this side of the things, by going out there and focusing on helping others, you're going to get out of your own way. Because usually when we're in troubles, we're focusing on our own troubles, and it creates more troubles. If we focus on helping others solve their troubles, we're going to actually solve ours, okay? So go out there and serve. So if you're in your business, double your service in the next 24 hours, whatever that looks like. Use your intuition. You'll know kind of maybe how to put out some extra value to your prospects, to your customers. If you're not in a business, okay, or even if you are, you can use this as well. Go and tip somebody a little bit extra today. Your Uber driver, the local cafe, wherever you're going or whatever happens. Even if you're not going somewhere, find a way to give some money away, okay? And then find a way to give more compliments and more thanks and gratitude in your life, okay? So basically you're going to increase people, and again, you're going to get out of the chaotic thought patterns of how, where, and when, okay? So I hope that makes sense. So for number 5, comment below that I will now go and serve and help. I will now go and serve and help, okay? That should be comment number 5 down there in the comments box. Try this out. It's the fastest way I've ever taught any of my clients and customers. If you're in my Manifestation Accelerator course, and even if you're not, it doesn't matter. You could go on the website. You're going to see we have thousands of people manifesting up small amounts, $37, $47, all the way upwards at $500, $2,000, $5,000, $20,000. We've had people manifest $52,000 all the way upwards to $230,000. That's our highest one in our group manifested, but that's not for everybody. It's not always going to happen. It's just that person was in harmony with that amount of money that we worked on and practiced on. Okay, so if anybody else could do it, and I've given the same system to and same process, you can do it as well. Okay, try the 5 steps here. Make sure you have your 5 comments below, because it's going to activate everything. Also throw a like on the video. You're going to already start to increase, okay? Because what it's going to do to the videos, it's going to increase and send it out to more people in the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so you can already just start there by throwing a like on the video and subscribing to the channel, because you'll start to increase things around you. Okay, if you want to start teaching this material, you want to start coaching it, become one of my certified manifestation coaches as well. The link is below, and getting some of the details and what that's all about. Okay, but if you want to start, you feel that calling to vivify your purpose, transform people's lives, and kind of basically what I'm doing here, talking about this information and coaching and helping people, though, you know, in that kind of format that I do as well. I can help you do that. I'll train you how to do that, and I'll mentor you on how to actually create and scale a $250,000 or more per year coaching business. Okay, pretty simple. There's a lot that goes into it. I have all the trainings for you and the certification ready. Okay, I have a couple of spots open, so if you go to the link, go ahead and visit the details, see if it's for you, see if you're called, and if so, I look forward to working with you as well. All right, take into consideration 5 components in this video. Try it out right away. You should see a money amount come in within the next 2 weeks, if not before.